Hey, what's going on guys? It's Tomtmose here, and I am here with another FIFA video. And this time, we're gonna open some packs. Let me just move my thing a little bit. No, I can't. So yeah, it's time to open packs, and yeah, let me just give you a little club tour. And here I have my squad. It's lagging so much. See, I have my squad with classic 77 rating and 100 chemistry because it's all BPL players. And if we go team of the week, where is the team of the week? Team of the week 9, we got Inform Tevez, Inform Muller, Inform Cruz, and Guzan, and then yeah, I think that's all the good stuff here. So yeah, I'm on Division 3 as you can see, and then yeah, without further ado, let's open some packs. And for now, I'm just gonna open 15k packs because if I open 7.5k packs, it's gonna be a loss for me because 7.5 times 2 is, I will only get 24 items, 20 gold, but only 6 rares, so I'm just gonna open this one. So, this is my theory. My theory is, first packs doesn't give you luck. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's just my theory. I don't know if I'm wrong, but maybe he's gonna prove me wrong. He's here. He's gonna prove it. Alright. I'm not even gonna look. We didn't even get a rare player. What the heck? Yo. What? We didn't even get... Second pack. Here we go. This time I'm doing premium gold pack. Come on, give me something good. Not bad to rare gold players and some player contracts. Let's see. Alright, pack clock is going on. Come on, yay. Someone good. Ooh! Erickson and Otamendi. Decent. Yeah, 83 rated Erickson and 80 rated Otamendi. Yeah. They're all decent. Let's go check my club. I think that's it guys for today's pack opening episode. I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, don't forget to slap that like button. Leave a comment down below, in the comment section down below. Any feedback will be appreciated. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you later. Take care and goodbye.